Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So this week we are going to unbox some cool Majorites. I hope you guys saw my shots. So in case we missed that out, let's start now. So let's start with this. So this is a Toyota Supra, and we did unbox this twice. So I think yeah, here it is. That is the one. That's the first one, and second one is I think somewhere over here. Yeah, that is the green one. So these two are the same castings. Only the difference between all these things are like the body. I mean the color to be very exact. Nothing else is changing. Everything is exactly the same. But still, I really wanted this in the normal version just to see what is the difference between this and that one. So I bought it. So if you own any one of this, don't go and buy again and again. I bought it just to unbox in this channel. Okay, so the second one is this, the Toyota Century. I don't have this casting at all in any of the brands. So I think this is only one when I actually went to that shop, so I bought it. So I actually missed like most of these things here. So anyway, we do have the Spec Arrow in this. Yeah, that is literally right there. So that is Spec Arrow. And Lancer I missed out because I do have Mitsubishi Lancer in that is then one that Japan JDM series. So but I bought it long back, even before it launched in India, so that was in a different name. So I will be unboxing that soon. That is like a 5 pack, right? So that will take some time. And R34 again, we bought it along with along with the body kit series. I mean the Team Transport series. I do remember I bought that. I don't know where I kept that. Oh, okay. I think I'm. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, there it is. That is the R34. I was getting confused between the Team Transport purple one and the Tune Up series purple one. So this is the Tune Up series purple one, that is R34, and this is the Team Transport series, that is the Sylvia S15 Spec Car Arrow. So apart from that, whatever I missed out, I bought it. So anyway, Honda S2000 we already have it here, so I'm not going to buy that again. Century I just bought. Supra, I think this is the first casting I bought actually. That after that I bought rest of things. So I know that's that's my mistake, to be honest. Okay, let's get on to the next one, which is this. It's the Lamborghini Huracan, and I personally love this particular version of it because this is a cop version, and I don't have any cop version by Majority if I'm not wrong. So more specifically the Lamborghinis. So I do have one. Yeah, I do have only one, the Dubai cop, Dubai police version, but that the livery is a little bit more Dubai specific, but this one looks more cool. Like this feels like it came straight out of Need for Speed, more games, more specifically the Hard Pursuit games. That's the only reason I actually bought this, because I have multiple Huracans already by Majority. Here is the next one, the Ford Mustang Dark Horse. Okay, when this casting was released by Hot Wheels, I think a year back or so, people went nuts over this casting. Again, okay, for 179, it does had very neat detailing. Back then, Majorette actually had acrylic headlights and everything. Right now, they changed it. It is everything is painted now. It's not worth buying that, to be very honest. So I went for this particular color because I do love blue color on cars. Given that my own car is actually in blue color, so I bought this one. There is one more version which doesn't come with the box. I think that one had red color paint job. So compared to that red color, this particular color looks really beautiful, and it has cool livery as well compared to that one. That's the reason I bought this, and it comes with a box. Okay, here is the Chevy Corvette. So I really love this Corvette. I do have Corvette by Majorette, which I unboxed long back. I think more than 2 years back. That is from the Majorette Racing series back then. I think it's a yellow color one. This one I bought it because of this color itself. There's the chromed out green, right? So it looks really beautiful, so I bought it. So last but not least, one of the casting which I was not able to get my hands on before, which is this one. So the Porsche 911 GT3 Cup 992. So this is, I don't know, people thought this was a chase. This is not a chase, to be honest. So this is one among that particular version. That's it. You can see it here. This is the last one in the series. That's it. This is not a chase version. So when it comes to Majorette, if you want to identify the chase, it usually has the particular year printed on the side. If it is 2026, you can see 26 here. That is a chase version. So rest everything is not a chase. so don't get confused on that. Okay, so with that said, we will be unboxing these cars this week, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.